Yes, those are my pet wasps for you. Beautiful sounds of the birds in the background, chirping away. And my beautiful wasps that do a good job of eliminating my pests. Not my pests, eliminating food pests. Yeah, take it easy. I'm just here to document. Those are my larvae that are they're spinning their silk cocoons, preparations to pupate, turn into adults, and take good care of the rest of the young ones that come up, those eggs. Those are larvae in their nursery cells. That's where they feed. That's where they are fed on chewed up caterpillar by the adults. They do mix the caterpillar or the bugs, otherwise considered pests, food pests, crop pests. They mix it up with the saliva and feed the larvae. Reason to have pet wasps. Beautiful scenes, and those guys will soon be adult wasps. Yeah, that cocoon has just been, actually the larvae did spin it some few minutes ago and cocooned itself in there. Beautiful scenes. You must agree with me.